There's a moment most notaries experience, but almost never admit. It's late. The phone finally stops. You're replaying the day in your head. Did I miss anyone? Did I forget to follow up? Did that client ever confirm? You worked hard. You stayed responsive. You did what responsible business owners do. So why does it still feel unstable? Here's what most notaries don't realize. Hard work does not create stability. Infrastructure does. Right now, your business depends on your availability, your memory, your energy, and those are finite. Every missed call? That's not just inconvenience. That's opportunity transferring to someone else. Every delayed response? That's a silent decision being made without you. And here's the part that stings a little. Some of the notaries growing faster than you aren't more talented. They just installed systems sooner. While others hesitate, they automate. While others juggle, they structure. And the longer someone operates without infrastructure, the further they drift from the top tier of this industry. Because markets reward structure, not effort. SABRINA AI isn't a feature. It's revenue control. It answers when you can't. It schedules without friction. It follows up with precision. It protects your reputation. It removes human delay. And once that control is installed, you feel it immediately. Less tension, more clarity, more predictable income. This is the line between operator and CEO. Operators stay busy. CEOs build systems that make busy unnecessary. And here's the truth most people avoid. Every week you delay installing infrastructure, your competitors compound efficiency. Compounding doesn't announce itself. It just widens the gap quietly. The notaries who install today will look untouchable a year from now. The question isn't whether this makes sense. The question is, do you want to be the one installing systems or the one catching up to the ones who did? Book the demo, install the infrastructure, and move into the category of notaries who operate with control. Because control isn't optional at the top. It's required. I'll see you inside.